Hi, this is Emil Menashe, the author of Your Sound on Stage. For a story for In Tune a couple of years ago, I had a chance to go to a sound check by the band called The Afters. They let us go backstage and watch what they were doing. This video does a good job of both showing the sound check and how a monitor mix comes together. After everything is set up, or even while some of the other musicians are setting up, the drummer starts playing one drum at a time to get sound through the system. Then he plays the whole kit. After the drums, it was time for the bass and the guitar. Then they worked on vocals.
Hello? Check. Check. It's blazing. It's blazing in my ear. It's overdriving my...
One of the critical parts of the whole operation is getting the monitor mix right. These guys were using in-ear monitors. Notice how they're using hand signals to communicate to the monitor mix. Once they got the individual levels where they wanted them, the whole band played together and they got ready for the show. Thanks a lot to the guys in the Afters, very cool band, and thank you for reading Your Sound on Stage.